Hi, my name is Ivy Luana Robertson. I am one of the bridesmaids, and I'm also the bride's little sister, and I'm from Melbourne. Thank you.
Ja, rau o mai I lisi tu da yo I lo o whai atu e te unga te mai tae whai o me mai a pia whai rungu sili a pena whai te mai tae whai poipo. Ia o le mele e selo o fia fia I le tu pāle a mātou o le tāle nia I mise whai no te unga. Le tu mai to lua le ke wai o kia. E selo kāne ngia o le tu pāle a mātou. Ia mai te mai tae nā o lo tua. Masalo ia a e umalo na fai au lu fo yo la me mai mo te mai ta ina lo toi ia no fai atu fo fa ta no anga le a te mai ta ina o po fe fo I malanga mai po ai fo yo la tu sofa ia pena fo I pe ai se a la va o ma fo yo na ve ma au me mai ale te mai ta fai poipo tu nei fo bi ponga o lo fanga solo tu nei o fanga I mota fo yo te mai ta fai poipo ia o te mai ta ia Fuatino ia malele ia Adrian. Mau na vale mea bo mai la ue faaipoipo ai. I pe ona vai atu to telefoni. I pe la vo Australia mi sila lea o lo lala fo I papa o I la to. Le o malanga mai I Fuatino fa pe ponga. Ni pe ponga la fai atu le solo. Alu atu lava le solo ina ia fanga. Ia alu atu lava tau le oi mata river. Lo ina le la Fuatino ia le Sauniuniga ia pena fo ia male ainga fo fa ponga ia onisi o le tato ai matongo fia le mautoro ia teine faaipoipo mana na amu mai ai as fakan malo mani le malo ia ine o fanga just vole o no sele o le tono Samoa ne o fanga ia onisi o le tato ai ia o tapto po ai foi ia o faite unga te mai tai whai poipo ia marana o sili, pena fo I marana au mai. Ia, lea la fato a maua mai ia le au al poipa o le safa ani nefu solo mātou. Ia, lea la fato a io te mai tai ne o Fuatino sina, te mai tai whai poipo nei o ia le patino ia le aso nei wha moi moi. Ia, lea la fato wina leo malanga mai ai ia Ia no uso le wo sili pena fo nei ona ka seni I fa pena ko mona ainga auntie uncle ia mana ona matua Fuatino why you want to marry in Samoa?
The reason why I wanted to get married here was because my nana can't travel overseas. And because I wanted her to be part of my wedding as well. So I decided to come here and do the wedding here.
Tino, all right, thank you. Said a lot of fun
Yeah.
How old is your grandma?
I think she's. Can't remember. Yeah, yeah.
Really 80 years old.
Yeah.
Okay, your parents? All your parents here?
My parents are here. Yep.
And your sister,
Everyone's
brother,
here. Yep.
Your family,
Yep. Big wedding.
Big wedding. You, where you live now?
I'm currently in Australia, in Melbourne.
Are you working?
Yes, working.
So who's the groom?
The groom is Adrian.
Richard?
Yeah.
He's from Australia too?
Yeah, he's from Australia. Yep.
Okay, what meet them with?
Me and Adrian has been friends. We've been friends for quite a while, and then we just started dating, and then it just leads to getting married.
How long you friends for you?
Say 4 to 3 years, and then it's been just mutual friends with other friends.
These are friends married too?
Yeah, and then just been together.
All right. Where are your parents from?
So my mom's from Alfanga, and my dad's village is from Lefanga Safatua.
There's something you already planned.
Yeah.
Your wedding will be at Lefanga.
Yep. Yeah.
We have from your...
Yeah, from dad's kind of, village.
Where's your Adrian? Where's he from? Samoa too? Or?
He's from Samoa,
Okay.
yeah. His village is everywhere.
Is he born there too?
He was born in New Zealand. Oh no, he was born in New Zealand. Yeah, New
You
Zealand.
too? You were born there too?
No, I was born here, but raised up in New Zealand and Australia.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Adrian?
He's 30.
5 years?
Yeah, 5 years.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, Fuatino, all your bridesmaids, your this where are you from? Where are they
So I have 9 bridesmaids in my line. I have 2 that's from Samoa, 2 in New Zealand, and then the rest are from Australia.
from?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, is there anything you want to add to our interview?
Not much, but stay tuned.
Okay, thank you, Fuatino.
Thank you.
Ya, leo lo whaau pēr ia ngā ruenga whae ar mātou I tū pā. Ia, te ona iai re ngā ruenga. E oma wha interview atu ia o tamaitai ia. O ke role mere le manga o I wala aura o tamaitai. Ia, po lea faaipoipo po whē mau waina tō. Ia, wā Fuatino ina leo ngā ruenga re whaingo ulu ma. Ia, ai ngā te leo te unga. Se foi a foi tale lio ni te mai tai. Ia wa Fuatino ina ni ngā ruenga. Ia, foi neti si rei foi tātou vido. Ia, uma whaatano atu la tau I so tai mei la iere iai. Ia, wa le Fuatino ina o whakaiponga, ino tau te unga, a mai se au tu te mai tai. Ia, masana I steini on te pu atura iere o se whaatanoanga ma te mai tai o me mai. Ia, ai masana ina o lako pu atu. Kasi nei faaipoiponga o le wawa atu ai. Ia, te tonu vai pe e wa ai ei I le loli le ala vaenga le I loto pā. Pe ala vaenga I o le au ngalo feta whai o le vaenga le olo se loli na ia ma solo ta vale le solo tutua. Ia o meo piki apu o mo double cap for ranger me ta vale foi le ia o ina le la whai e tuare solo. Solo le alu watu lava I o whanga. Watu a tau le mata river. Ia le solo. Whea singa ungi for solo. Le la po e atu. Ia la alive atu. Ai le I amataina le tātou whapeponga. E pe o na fufaina. Pe au le tolu e na olo o mai tau atu. O le a Fuatino o le Sauniuniga. Ia so ai ala ia lea. Ia ma le tātou reception. I nā rawa mata river. Ia I le tātou Fale Samoa te le ana iai. Misalo I ngā la Fuatino I le tātou reception I po le ainga foi o le aso. O le aso whiwhio Fuatino ia ma Adrian. A te mene, le rao loko whafo. Loko whafo e po e atu ia le solo tā vale. Nei te ua le maua atu le live le watu. E la a po e atu tā vale uma. Ia nā o le a Fuatino ina le solo lea. O wawa e atu whawaiponga ne le se tamai whawaiponga. Ai lava singa ke le o whawaiponga. Ia, e pei o no whai atu, ia o le loli na alii auto repair towing. E nā lo whangaina o ila o I le la malanga atu ai le lii ma te mai tai faaipoipo. E le loli lea ia po le se whaimana I o te wina lea lo. A lea lau laku I kua, e po e atu ia solo ia piki apu umai nā. Nā o atu ai ia lau me mai, whapena fo I au me mai teine, pena foi ma au me mai tama. Ia, o e sila mai ta sina o Hilux. Ola se ma na ia na lo tuse luma le mea nesi, na ia na Hilux. Le la tu faso solo tu lo po na ku ka vale uma ia. Ka vale ia na follow tu mai tua. E sila ka vale ma ia lava Raptor. Solo mai lady here na ia sina ta vale o sika vale le tu mai tu o ia ta vale mai le la malanga tu ai le mai ta faaipoipo ia mo sili foi ia mana o me mai ta sile ta vale la ma no ta vale le va vai tu ia so solo tu ai tua ta se foi le ta vale e foi ringa mai o le ngai o le so fe au le ta vale mai le lai ma no ta vale so le la fai a ko le solo le tato faaipoipo fai asi le so fe au le so fe au o le kalapuna le so fe au yo la to vi o le Fuatino nei ia le solo ta vale ia ma nei foi a foi na fu e fai so faaipoipo so tai mai ia le so fe au kalap ia e Sauniuniga foi le solo foi o lau solo ta vale se le ba ia so ya le fa cha no mai tama faaipoipo lana wo sili marana o me mai o le sa ngai pele sta no fanga matanga ngai ka o le papao ia ina la vai ma te sia tu i ya le la lo na tu le atale na tu le fa smato fa cha no nga foi mana tama faaipoipo le wo sili ia a masifala na o me mai salo to tele la vola wodi ia malanga mai fafo Australia, New Zealand. Ja, onisi foi dat we atu pe ia malanga mai Samoa. Ja, lewa, mo fe ringa le fata tau no mas kamo Adrian e mai nai papa maro inchi. Alo, you are the one you are the groomer. Nice man, why? Yeah, Adrian, your first time in Samoa?
Third time in Samoa.
Third time.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Born in New Zealand.
Born in New Zealand and live in Australia now.
Live in Australia now.
All right. How old are you?
30 years of age now.
20, 30. Oh man, you look 20 to me. Okay, Adrian. So why you bring your wedding to Samoa?
Because my grandparents are here.
Oh, okay.
And as same as Fuatino's grandparents.
Okay. So both of your grandparents are all here.
Yeah, so now I just have my grandma.
Yeah.
I already went to see my grandpa and my other grandma's grave.
Oh.
Later.
Yeah.
Just get my blessings.
Mm.
I'm just happy that I've got my grandparents here, my family, as well as Tino's family.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a big wedding, eh? And also it's a lot of it's very expensive wedding too. To bring the whole family over here in Samoa. Yeah. Even your parents, your whole family there. Yeah. Like your brother, sister. Okay.
My family here. Well, I am happy for those coming, taking the time to come celebrate our wedding.
Give you the mic. What did you say? What's your day?
My day, I'm nervous, but I'm happy because I think I've waited for this day a long time now.
How long have you been like friends?
So yeah, me and Tino been friends for 3-4 years, and only started dating 2 years. So we've been friends for a while now.
Well, it's a long time, man.
Yeah, it's a long time.
So I think you and Fuatino be forever. Because you have been friends for 5 years.
Yeah.
You're married. I think you know each other very well now.
Yeah.
There's some other people they don't marry and they divorce the other.
Yeah.
It's good to know each other.
Yeah.
5 years.
Yeah.
Oh, Adrian, what village of Samoa are you from?
My dad's from Tuanai, and my mom is from Savai Salailua.
Savai Salailua?
Yeah, they're here too, but she also has a village here in Vaikelefo. So yeah. Yeah, they all came this week to come celebrate our wedding.
Okay, I'll let you go in.
Yeah.
I'll go and talk to your best man.
Best man.
So your
Yeah.
And wish you the best for. Don't be nervous. Why are you nervous? Do you think anybody will stop the wedding?
Nah, I'm just happy.
Okay, big hand.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, leo mas fatasi I mai sunga TJ o ia le o le Bosili. Kau lele wa sili de mo minga tata ngai pitu sili ana la pala jai tam pai pai po. Esele de leyo la matanga sunga la tei.
Yo.
Where are you from? From are you in Samoa or from overseas?
I'm from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Okay, why you become best friend? Why you?
That's my older brother, Adrian. Yeah, I'm the baby.
They always because you are so close.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 24.
You're not married.
Not married.
So you're still single.
Nah, I have a girlfriend in Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
She coming? Or
Nah, I have to wait for her.
Sorry.
Oh, she's waiting for me.
Waiting for you?
Yeah.
Maybe that's the next wedding.
Yeah, next wedding, next year.
Samoa.
Nah, half Tongan.
Oh, they won't be over here.
Yeah, might be in Australia.
Maybe in Tonga.
Nah.
Okay, brother, can you tell about your brother? What do you feel about your brother?
I'm proud of him. He's finally tying the knot.
Yes.
Yeah, man, this guy is 30 now. Yeah, I'm proud of him. Yeah.
How many of you?
3 of us. Me, my sister, and then Adrian.
Your sister, she's in
Australia.
Too.
No,
She's not coming.
she couldn't make it. She's working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, what do you feel now? You
Excited, yeah.
Enjoy coming to Samoa for the wedding?
Yeah. I'm happy I came to Samoa for the wedding.
Yeah.
So I can learn Samoa, learn the history, and learn about family.
So you got the launga for Samoa for the
Yeah,
wedding?
I learned launga for Samoa last minute.
Can't wait to hear your.
Yeah.
So your parents are here too?
Yep.
The
Mom's from Savai, Salailu, and dad's from Apia, Kungai.
They're all here.
Yeah, all here, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So what's your last words for before? Because we're gonna talk again.
Oh yeah.
Before the ceremony, what are you gonna say now?
I don't know.
Add it to your brother and your
Tino.
and Samoa. And you think, what do you think about Fuatino?
Yeah, I think they're a perfect match.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Your parents like him?
Yeah, my parents love her.
All right.
Yeah.
Because they said they have been friends for 5 years.
5 years, yeah.
Very long.
And then now get married, yeah.
Okay, TJ. Yeah,
Yo.
I'll let you go. I'll talk to your other friend there. On the mic.
Yo.
Yeah. What's your last words for today?
Last words for today. Hopefully everything goes well. Yeah, glory to God. Another day to live. Yeah, proud of the bro.
Thank you,
Yeah.
TJ.
Yo.